Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to eat yam fufu with vegetable soup. And if you finish with a lot of mede, meat, everything inside. Also, and before we start, we need to sing our two national items for you guys. Love is sweet too.
When money enter, love is sweeter.
Gay. Love is sweet too.
When money enter, love is sweeter. Gay.
Love is sweet too. When money enter, love is sweeter. Our second national item.
He dey pay them.
He dey sweet me.
He dey pay them.
He dey pay them.
He dey sweet me.
He dey sweet me.
He dey pay them.
He dey pay them.
He dey sweet me.
He dey sweet me.
He dey pay them.
He dey pay them.
He dey sweet me.
He dey sweet me.
He dey pay them.
He dey pay them.
He dey sweet me.
He dey sweet me.
He dey pay them.
Okay, so we need to pray in Jesus.
Nothing but the blood, nothing but the blood, Jesus.
Thank you. Oh, I see the odds.
Guys, come and join me. Oh, this is for you guys. Sweetheart, do you know one of your friend? This is your friend I love.
Which of my friend?
I just love her, and then she always call me with my phone whenever you are not at home. Just I wanted to tell you, and she said I should not tell you, but I just okay, I should just tell you today. But the girl is very nice girl. No, this is your friend, and those of your friends is gone like that.
I know my friends. Which one? I have a lot of friends. So which one?
But the fair one that have a big nyash. That have a big nyash.
No.
Don't you know her? Yeah. The girl.
So whenever I'm not at home,
She called.
Besides, how do you exchange number? How do you guys exchange
You
number?
used my phone to call her before.
Me? Use your phone to call her.
Yeah. You used my phone to call her before.
What happened to my phone?
Your phone was switched off or it was
My phone was
running
switched off.
down.
I used your phone to call her. Okay, let me assume it's true. So, since I used your phone to call her,
Yeah.
So is that the reason you saved the number in your phone?
Not a bad thing.
It's not a bad thing.
No.
Not a bad thing.
Can you listen to yourself?
I saved the number.
Where?
I saved the number in case whenever you want to call her, you will be
Why will you save the number?
I just saved the number in case next time I will know the person you are calling. Yeah, babe. Yeah. Because the other day you were not at home. She called me. And then she started telling me that she loved me.
So she was the one that called you, not you. She
No.
was the one that called you.
She called me. I'm not the one that called her, but I saved the number on my phone. That's why I know that, yes,
She's the one that
she's the one that called. You see?
So she called you and said what?
She said that she loved me. I'm a curious man. Yeah. A lot of things she say. She like to seduce me.
She just said to you she liked to seduce you.
No, I told her she wanted to seduce me.
So meaning she came over.
She came and visit me, eh?
So
But said no. This girl is a demon. I don't want her.
once I'm done in this place, it's me with that girl.
No, don't cry. Eh?
Why won't I call her? Why won't I call her? Just give me one reason. Why won't I call her?
Don't call her, please.
You will see you are my friend at the end of the day. This. Okay, what do you say to her? Because
I know that my wife is not at. She's not at home. Why do you came to my? Why do you came to our house without informing my wife? Or he said no, she don't want you to know that I came. I should not tell you. I said, what kind of friend is this? I said to her inside my mind, I said, what kind of friend is this? She tried to seduce me. Seduce me like this.
what do you?
Yeah, seduce me like this. Seduce me like this. I said no. I said I banned this girl because of Jesus.
Do you also
I
love
banned
her?
her. No, but she was so very attractive with her house.
With waiting? With what?
With her house.
So you even admire the house? You admire?
You know that she get big yash. She get big house.
So is that the reason you admire a bonbon?
Not that I'm admiring her. I just like to tell you that I look little, but not admiring. Look, I just look little. Is it a bad thing now?
No problem. So is that all?
So only that too.
No.
He said you are a bad person. She said to me, he said you are evil. He said you are a bad wife.
No, but
Yeah, I said no. I said no. I said my wife is not a bad wife. She's the one who got married. You are so good for me. You are so good to me. Everything. He said you are a bad wife. You are not a caring wife. You see, there are a lot of things she say. Oh, she say many lot of things. He said I should leave you. She said I should leave you, but you are a bad woman. So you are a bad wife. I said no. Why do you say such thing? My wife is not a bad wife. Point of correction. She's a good wife. I admire your care, everything. He said no. He said no. You are evil. Lot of people say bad, evil against you. I say I banned you. This girl, she's looking for something. I said this is your friend. She's looking for something. I said no. That's why I just tell you. But normally, the girl, she tell me lots of things. But also, I like the girl. Also.
No.
why is it now you are telling me all those things?
No, I'm a born again Christian. I'm born again Christian. That's why I'm telling you. Papa, do you want to eat padanyam? Hey, Papa,
We shall sing.
Papa. My daughter is looking the way I'm cutting the padanyam.
Once we are through with this video, I'm going to call her.
Don't call her now. What kind of thing is that?
Why won't I call her?
Because I told you those things.
I'm going to call her to explain how bad I am.
No, don't call her. Next time if you call her,
Have we met in any way?
I'm not going to tell you anything. I would, I won't.
At least she will know. Now I know the true friend she is to me.
Please don't call her, Papa, do you want to eat fufu? No, I have a friend is a bad friend, though. You bad friend. The bad friend. Could you imagine that? Oh, friend. Bad friend, your friend.
No.
Thank God that I did not fall for the temptation.
You better thank your God.
Anyway,
I trust you. I know the kind of you are. So
yeah.
I'm going to deal with that stupid girl.
Don't deal with that, eh?
Why?
Just leave her. Let her go.
If I leave her, meaning she will also come back next time.
No.
Why no?
She'll not come back next time.
Do you want to call her?
No.
You have connection with her. So why say I should not? She have to know. Now I know everything is going on. Period.
No. Right. Oh.
Say hello. Hello.
Okay, baby. It's just a prank, man. I don't want you to call her. It's a prank.
It's like you know I will call her.
It's just a prank, please. I don't want you and your friend become enemy. I don't want to put fire in your house. Alright.
How will you do such prank?
Just a
How am I supposed
prank.
to believe? Before we believe, I have to search your phone. If you don't,
No, just a prank. Don't search my phone. It's a
Why
prank.
won't I search your phone? It's not a prank. I will call her.
It's a prank, please.
If you want me not to call her, you have to give me the phone. Let me see if you truly saved the number.
Okay, I will give you the phone later in the day. Don't you trust me?
No. But I still have to confirm.
Yeah. No problem, but it's a prank. Guys, it's a prank. You guys heard me. It's a prank. I want to see a reaction to know the kind of woman I'm marrying. Oh, this food looks so delicious. Papa, you want to eat panaya? Yay! You want to eat fufu? Fufu! My daughter wanted to eat fufu. Yeah. Very soon she will be eating fufu like Papa and Mama. Yeah, like Papa and Mama.
No.
You want to eat fufu? You want to eat fufu? You want to eat fufu?
Oh, I said no. I don't want to eat fufu. I want to suck breast. Okay.
You're tired?
Yes.
Don't want to eat anymore. So whenever we are eating, you're the one that's eating all those food.
How?
The way I'm looking at you, see the way you are cutting the fufu. You are cutting it with your big hand. I'm looking with.
So, what are you trying to say? You didn't eat.
I didn't eat all.
You didn't eat anything.
Yeah, the one that
I'm
look
the one
now.
that ate everything.
I did not eat all. As you can see, she's the one that's eating it all. You guys saw it, Abby? Abby, so.
So you didn't eat anything. So I ate everything myself.
Yeah.
It's good now.
Try to finish it, eh?
How am I supposed to finish it?
Just to tell our audience that you are the one that is be eating this fufu in the house.
Audience, I'm the one that be eating all the food in the house. Finish?
Finish. Okay. No. Love is sweet, oh. Good morning. Look at my tummy. My tummy is very big. Love is. Why is it like that? Love is sweet. Love is sweet. Love is sweet.
You say I'm going to look at your tummy.
Big tummy. Okay, guys, we love you. Please, if you love this video, kindly subscribe and share this video to your lovers, to your friends, to your family. Also, and share this video to all social media platforms and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please, we love you. We love all our audience. Everyone that subscribe, we love you guys. See us on our next video.
Nothing but